How to add color background to text on Instagram. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you want to add a colored background to your text, first and foremost open your Instagram. Once that is done, tap on your story and then tap on camera. After that, click on create and then add the text. Once you have added the text, and if you want a background to it, tap on the text and you will see a border icon with the letter A. Tap on it and it will add a background. Now, in order to change the color of this background, you need to tap on this color circle, and once you tap on that color palette, it will change the text color along with the background. And this way you can add the color background. So this is all for today's video. For more such contents, do not forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you and keep watching. Also, if you have got any queries, do not hesitate to drop on the comment section.